Okay, here we are real fast. A little bit of snow. Problems were already arising. What we've got here is a shallow buried pipe that comes to the sidewalk here. Someone thought it would be a good idea to just make it do a 90-degree turn upward from being about, I don't know, a foot underneath the there, that it would just flow out. And that's a great concept, and it's flowing right now. We've got another one there that appears to just go in the ground and end. Inside the basement, water is streaming through the wall at a bad spot, but it's because there's a big pool of water. I've just quickly removed it, and you can see the water is actually flowing quite heavily out of the pipe at a joint. There's a huge root right there. This is the push together pipe. Can't use any glue on it because it looks like PVC, but it's not. I already redirected the downspout, which should have been the only thing on this line, and away it goes. And that's fine, but it's not. Somehow, either the front, the back, something tied in across here, somehow water's getting in to that pipe and it's leaking out right here. So there you go. Sometimes it's not an interior French drain. You don't live on an artesian well. You just have something that's bringing the water physically there. It needs to be corrected. And of course, however it got in, correct that spot too, so it doesn't happen again.